It's like living through a terrifying movie scene. That is how passengers are describing the moments on board a flight from Australia to New Zealand when the airline says the plane encountered a technical event, one which sent people flying through the cabin, banging up against the ceiling, injuring at least 50 people. Now, one passenger is now talking to CNN and telling CNN that the pilot came back into the cabin and said he lost control of the plane.
He openly admitted, he said, I lost control of the plane. My gauges just kind of went blank on me. And that's when the plane just took a dive.